Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today is Tuesday, February 14th, 2023. Today's weather, high of 70, low of 30, sunny and low chance of rain. Today's menu, breakfast, have a Hot Pocket and yogurt with juice and fruit, and for lunch, a fajita wrap, tots, chips, fruit, and juice. We have no Valentine birthdays today. Announcements, Dr. Seuss Week will be coming up. Flyers going to be sent home about the themed days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers come to read to our students snack money. Make sure snack money is sent up by 9:30 each morning. Late students are not allowed to purchase snack. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure that your students are adhering to the uniform policy. Pink sweatshirts, random hoodies, all those things are not part of our uniform policy and need to be removed. Gum. We've seen a lot of gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Late duty today is Miss Tompkins, tomorrow Gardner, and then Lee and Clark for this week. Important dates. February 15th is tomorrow. We have ACAP PD during planning for 2nd and 3rd, and ACAP shutdown for 2 through 5. February 16th, we have Michael Green Science Machine. That's going to be at 8:30 for grades pre-K 1 through 5 and 9:30 for kindergarten 2nd and 4th. February 17th, we have the 4th grade field trip. February 20th to 24th, we have Mardi Gras break. February 27th through March 3rd is Dr. Seuss Theme Week and also Compliance Monitoring Week. March 7th, Spring Pictures and ACAP Alternate begins. March 21st, Teacher Workday. March 22nd, ACAP Summative begins. If you have questions, you can submit them to the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Tuesday and a happy Valentine's Day, everybody.